Hey guys, today I just want to talk a little bit about refrigerant R290, the propane. I don't know what anybody's opinion is on that. I've worked on a few units with this. I'm just wondering if you think this is going to be a long-term refrigerant, because as you know, they're only allowed a certain amount in each system in North America anyway. So it's only used in small equipment. Freezers, fridges, stuff like that. And I just worked on one recently that it was a freezer, two-door freezer, which actually had two refrigeration systems in it because of the limit of refrigerant, which I think is 8 ounces. So in order for it to work with the 290, they had to put in 2 units with a split evaporator on it in order to get the capacity. So this was a freezer manufactured by True Manufacturing, and I was talking to one of the tech guys there, and I'm just saying it must cost you a lot more money to build the equipment when you have to put 2 refrigeration units into a system, which normally would only be 1. So I asked him if he thought it was going to be long term. He says that he thinks it'll be around. It'll probably always be small equipment, and because of the capacity limits here in North America. But I'm thinking that I think down the road they'll bring out another refrigerant. Propane is a very good refrigerant, but being flammable and everything, it reminded me of the years ago they had the I want to say it was 406, which had propylene in it, which is even more volatile than propane. And you can no longer, at least in Canada, you can't buy that refrigerant anymore. So I'm thinking that the refrigerant that's probably going to take over for everything is the new 448, because apparently it's good in all temperature ranges: air conditioning, refrigeration, low temp, medium temp. I got a couple systems out on that, but the 290 seems to be taking over, at least as for the small equipment. But yeah, I just wonder what everybody else's opinion on the R290, if you've worked on it, if you think it's a good choice for refrigerant, or thinking this is just going to be an interim refrigerant and bring something else down the road. Anyway, any comments, just comment below, and I just want to see what everybody else's opinion is on that. Thanks.